Okay, Wario again with an update after the Blizzard of 2018 yesterday. A little bit of the aftermath example out there. It's really a lot of snow. And you can see what it did to our fence, too. It's terrible. Okay. Now, one thing to show you, we actually have electricity after that. Like, we lost it for 7 hours yesterday. Actually, no, we lost for 9 hours yesterday, but it's already back. Like, 1 day outage and then came back. Now, Icicle up there. There's a ton of snow everywhere, as I already said. And, everywhere else throughout our town kinda got hit pretty badly with a storm. There's snow everywhere. Just don't know what to say, but we apparently got lucky compared to the rest of the coast, to say the least. Because, you know, down here we've got our electricity back already. About 20% of the town still does not have it back. And the snow has done worse matters in other places too, so yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the other places. It's windy over here. Okay, this is outside. It's weird. Wind like just picked up. It wasn't this windy earlier, but it just picked up. Huge breeze just blew by. Go ahead and show you the rest of the place now. There's look at the rest of the neighborhood. There is snow everywhere, absolutely everywhere. I really don't know why it's had to happen. This is like the third storm in 2 weeks. And this time it brought lots of snow. Like the previous 2, we barely had any accumulation. Oh my goodness. The lines are like dangling there. They're like lines dangling there, but doesn't seem to be affecting anyone over here. So, yeah, over here we're good, but a bunch of other places are not too good. You'll see what I mean in just a few minutes. Another section, more snow. It's all over the trees. You can clearly see, we got a lot of snow from this one. It's absolutely everywhere. The trees are coated in white powder. The ground is too. It's insane. It's absolutely everywhere. It like really piled up. You know, it was snowing for almost a full 24 hours. So there is no wondering why it piled up like this. Right here, there's a, don't know if you saw that, but there was a tree that just fell right over. Like, it's still kind of standing up, but it's being held up by the wires, so that's why it's not completely on the ground now. A little look ahead. You can see the electricity is out here. The lights are not working. There's no perspective. Yeah. So over here, there's no power, but back home there is, so that means there are specific sections that still do not have power, but there are other specific sections that got restored either last night or it never lost power. So I'll go ahead and show you a little further down as soon as we get there. A little bit further down now. No electricity here. Oh my goodness. You saw that tree. It was really flimsing over. Now there's no electricity down here either, but I'm sure as we keep going a little further down there might be. We'll see, and I'm not going to bother pausing right here. So, just going to see as we keep going along. bit. Down there, you can see it's on. So down here, it's fine. See, Wendy's is open. So yeah, it's specific sections that still do not have power. So down here, we're good. You can see, doing pretty well in terms of percentages, because down here, I'm sure the rest of the place is good too down here. All the way back home, it's all okay. And there's even a small little section that has power somewhere else in town. But, you know, there are still sections that do not have power. So, yeah. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. You can clearly see how bad this storm was in terms of the snowfall, because it accumulated quite a lot. There was a lot of shoveling and cleanup to do for many people across the place, especially across the coast, because that seems to be where the most snowfall happened. And that's actually, essentially, you know, quite ironic, because the coast usually has the least amount of snowfall, but this time I had the most. So yeah, I'm definitely going to say this is similar to the budget of 2013, except 2013 it was a little bit worse. There was, you know, a little more snow than this, but this is still quite a bit of snow, like, you know, definitely a lot. However, we still got, you know, we still had 3 storms in a row just in the span of 2 weeks, and the 3 storms combined, if they were all one system and everything from those 3 systems was combined, then it would probably match up to be Blizzard of 2013 style, or actually even worse than that. You know, the place could be destroyed. There would be snow everywhere. Trees would have been falling over because the winds would be so high. Because the first one, we actually got very, very high winds and flooding. This time we got more snow than both of those. There was no flooding concern at all, but the snow was the biggest factor here. You can clearly see out here. There are huge piles of snow in specific places because people have been shoveling to clear up the roadways and stuff. So yeah, that's why you're gonna see bigger piles of snow in certain areas, but also, you know, flatter plains in other areas. The accumulations, they didn't go as high as expected, but still quite a bit. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys didn't get affected by this, if you happen to live around us. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and Wario out.